this is what the ALEKS looks like. And so when you come in here, you should see on the left-hand side, after you skip through um, the tutorials, on the left-hand side, you should see the homework. And so you want to click here, and it will tell you when it is due, how many questions there are, and how many attempts. So then you hit start, and you can work on the questions. And at the beginning, it gives you a tutorial of what to do. Like you have to hit the submit assignment. So let's say that I put in my answer here. Now, it also, when you click here, you will have some menu pop up sometimes with offerings to use this. So if I want to do this problem, I would say 1 over, this is 9 squared, or 81, and this should be negative. So then I'm going to hit the next question. Oh, I'm sorry. You can hit check at the bottom. And it will tell you if you have it correct or wrong. It'll give you a green check mark if you have it correct. And let me show you this one. Let's say I do this one wrong. Maybe I put 64, which is incorrect, and I hit check, and you will notice it will show you a red X. You have all these buttons on the right hand side, and on the right hand side here you can hit explanation, which means it will give you a new question, but it will explain how to do the one that was shown. You can also hit guided solution, which will walk you through how to do it step by step. You can also give you an example. And you have access to the book. You click here and it will go to the section of the book that this is in. And then you also have Message Center, where it sends me a message that you want help on that question. So if I hit back to question, now you'll notice that this shows that one as wrong. And so if I come in here and I hit number 2, I can hit try another, and then I can put in the correct answer, because now I've seen what I did wrong, and I can hit check. Now if I'm going to come back and work on this later, just hit save for later. If I want to submit it, then I'm going to hit submit. It's going to tell me I have questions that are left unanswered if I do have any, and I would just hit submit once I'm done with it. And then I can also look at the assignment list. The assignment list will show me all the assignments. I can they are all open. I'm going to close out all of those. It shows me what I've completed and what I need to do. So the one that I played around with was this one, and it shows me when they are due, and it shows me how many attempts. I can also I can review the assignment and do a quick retake, meaning I only have to do the ones that I have incorrect. So that is how to access the ALEKS and take a look at the homework.